It's me, Chelsie Bustinera, so I'm gonna make another package, which this came from China, and we ordered about 2 months. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. Let's go. I don't know how to edit, so I'm just so excited. So I'm gonna get my handy scissors and the show. Okay, basically make a cut. Making a big cut. There's a gray bag. They are covered in bubble wrap, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna take the bubble wrap out. OMG. Let's take these things out. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Yeah, it's basically closed. But look at it. It's so cute. So we're gonna take this out later. Like basically a closet. And what's this? I don't know. Like some rubbish bags. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like basically like kitchen things and stuff. Here's a bag of hangers. What's this? Oh, it's a shoe rack. We have to build it. And what's this? Barbie stands. And what is this? Like a container for something? Just a container. And then, oh, it's so cute! Oh my goodness! It's a floaty! And what's this? I'm gonna find it out later. What is this thing? And then here we have, oh my gosh, they're so cute. It's like basically sweet desserts and stuff. Oh my gosh. And what's this? I don't know. It's everything in the packet. And it's a lot. So we're gonna open this bag first. I'm really curious what's inside. I'm gonna make a tiny cut. Make sure. What's this? Ooh, no! It's so pretty. It's like a big gown for dolls. It's so cute. It's like with flowers and designs. It's so cute for my Barbie dolls. It starts raining. Next, we're gonna open this bag. I'm really curious what's inside. What is in here? What are these? Oh, they're cute little apples. This is an apple. Like a tomato. I don't know. Like cherry. I didn't expect it to be so big. Then lots of other stuff. Like cute peach, mango, another cherry, another apple, another mango or a peach or something. And these are some pumpkins for pumpkin pie, and another apple. They're all basically red. I didn't order these. Oh well, I hope I did. I'm gonna put it in this bag again. And there's another black bag. Really, it's like basically metal. I don't know. Let's see, what is it? Oh my gosh! it's a cute fridge that we're going to build. And here we go. Let's put it there. Put it up. I don't know if you're gonna build this or it came broken. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's like a fridge. And then here's some freezers. Ugh, that is so hard to open. Oh my gosh. So cute refrigerator. You don't understand how happy I am. Alright, now here's some bits and bobs of cakes and cupcakes. Yeah, I'm sure, I don't know if you can see, but they're cute cakes. Like fruit cakes. Angel. Oh my gosh. Look at this, it's so cute. It's like a bag of sweets. I'm gonna focus it. Go on, focus up. It says sweets. And there's more fruit cakes and donuts. So cute. And here is the grand finale. It's basically a cute frying pan. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy right now. Like a measuring cup. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry if it's so loud out there. And over here, like we have a spoon, like a mixing thing. And we have this frying thing for an egg or flipping for a pancake. Sorry if you hear baby musics. A pot. You don't understand how happy I am. And the cover for the pot. No, it's so cute. I can't explain. It's a cute tiny fork for spaghetti. I can't breathe. A scoop for a soup. Like, Mommy, I want some soup. Now, three more things. A little bowl for or pouring a little soup. And these things, it's like a drain and a frying thing. So I'm really happy with this. And I'm gonna open this so I can put all my little things in it. So it's there. No, you don't have to cut it. There's like a little thing here. You open it. So cool. But none of these fit. Yeah, cool. Alright, so we're gonna put it in, I'm sorry if you hear that chair move, in here first. Gonna put it. These are the little bits and bobs. Why did I cut that? Why? Put it in here first. I'm sorry if you don't think that I'm energetic. So yeah, I'm so excited. Especially this fork, I'm really cute. It's really cute. I just invented a new word. Cuted. Now, I hope this doesn't spell. Now, we're gonna open this. Now, I'm not gonna cut it off. I'm just gonna rip this part of the bag. Now I finally ripped it off. Here's like a bee cake. And then a swirly cupcake. You can see those dimples. A little watermelon. You see my light ring? Right there. See it? Here's what I'm telling you a while ago. It says sweet. Look. Yeah, it says sweet. It's like a little bag of sweets. And here's some grapes. Pure happiness. What is this? Like, I don't know, like some pepperoni or whatever. Just doesn't matter. A heart fruit cake. It's so cute. And it's like a biscuit. It says Angel-y. Last two things in here. Is this cute cupcake shaped nearly as a heart. See? And this pancake. That's all. And I'm gonna put it in its bag. I have a sore back. Ugh. Oh my gosh. It's 13 minutes. So much things and I haven't said it all. I hope I don't lose any of these new things. So I'm a messy one. Just don't know. I'm gonna clip the bag so nothing falls. Alright, now it's sealed perfectly. Put it on the table. And this is like the shoe rock. I'm gonna build it by myself. Oh, I really have sore back, guys. You just don't understand. Oh my god. Alright, so I think this is the side. Let's take out all the pieces. There's no instructions on how to build it. So we're just gonna build it by ourselves. So I think this is for the side. Oh no, this is for the back. And I think this piece goes like this. I don't know. Y'all don't know how to build this, so yeah. Mommy, mommy, I love you, mommy. This is your special day. Flowers and presents and breakfast in bed. Mommy, mommy, I love you, mommy. Oh my gosh. This is your special day. Flowers and presents and breakfast in bed. Oh, come on, shoot. Shoot. Shoot in. Alright, we're going to the one side. There. We built half of it. Now time to put in the shelves. Like this, I think. What's this part supposed to do? I don't know. Oh well. Now, is there more pieces? Because there's only 2 pieces. I think this doesn't go here. It doesn't belong there. I think this one belongs there. You belong there, honey, because there's something over there for you. I'm sorry if this video is taking like so long for you and then it's like so boring. Like you want to kick my face. Hey, I'm so sorry if you keep on hearing noise in the background because my baby nephew is at our house. Someone's coughing. Sorry if you hear that. I think this is the end of the shelf. Snap. Alright, it's starting to look like the Chirac I am dreaming of. Let's just put the shelves. Is there like one more piece? There's a missing piece. Oh well, this is the Chirac. It's so pretty and I didn't need my mom to help me. It's like only 3 shelves, which is supposed. So cute. Ouch. Mommy. Now let's open this floaty. It's like so bouncy. Oh my gosh. You go on top of the Chirac. It's for shoes. This is the shelf. But it's like so, there's no inflating thing. Now let's just finish them talking. Alright, I think they're done. The camera. Oh my gosh. Alright. That's a bit bouncy. This is perfect for my toddlers, and it's a bit cute. I mean, it's so cute. And this closet. Let's take the prize out. I took out the prize and my hands are so sticky. Ugh. I'm so sorry if I'm so unenergetic. Just not in the mood because they're so noisy. And here it is inside. There's like a piece of cardboard here. I don't know. It's like a piece of cardboard here that is really annoying. Oof. I want to take it out. Alright, we took it out. Here it is. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so yeah, we have built our closet. It doesn't open that well. Now let's try it on the other side. Now it opens well. Let's get these hangers. Sorry, that's my ate. So annoying, ate. These are the hangers. I'm gonna put them in my closet. Look at it, it's cute. Just don't mind her so much. Don't mind my, she's actually my tita, but they call her ate. Those are Filipinos words, like you don't understand. Yeah, let's put the hanger back. They are more than you suspect. Okay, and lastly, I'm gonna open the stand that has a lot. Why do all of these has like stickers on them? These are the stands, so I'm gonna build them. Alright, I think this piece goes here. And this piece is for like the waist of the doll. I think it goes there. I think it goes in there. Now we're gonna stick it here. I'm an expert builder, oh my gosh. I didn't know that. Oh. Ugh, come on. Ugh. This needs muscles. I'm so sorry, R.I.P. Come on. I'm so annoyed. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Ugh. My hair hurts so bad. Do I have like lice on my hair? 'Cause it's so itchy right now. It's so hard to... My mom's gonna walk in my room and just said, "What are you doing?" And I said, unboxing my toys, obviously. You paid for it. Oh, and she said, "Oh, okay." She's gonna get so embarrassed. But I love this float. It's like squishy. I don't know why. I don't know why. But just, it's so hard. I can't explain how. Does it come out here? I hope it does. No, it doesn't. Come on. So annoying. Okay, let's try to do this. Put it down. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I am back. So here are the results. This is, no, I'm not holding a doll actually. This is on the stand. And I'm going to show you how it works. So let's see this. I'm going to put the stand on it. And it will stand up. And guys, to prove that there's a stand, look at the back. It's easy to build. And the other one, it actually was for Chelsie. Now she can stand up. And I'm going to show you how to build one. So here we take a piece. Oh, this was not expected. Oh well. What a noisy person. Alright. There was a string. Now don't put it in yet. We're gonna get the waist thing, and there's like a little pattern that matches with it. So we're gonna, here are the little patterns, we're gonna push it in. We're gonna just take it in. It's actually movable, but I'm gonna put it there first. Okay, I'm gonna put the waist on it. Here it is, the stand. And I'm gonna make a few more. I'll just clip it in. The T pattern? No. This. Alright, now another T pattern. Alright, just not move it that much. Second stand. And guys, I'm telling you, this is the best toys ever. I love it so much. Oh, another way. T pattern. Alright. T pattern. Alright. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh well, it's pretty nice. Here's the other stand. And I think that's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I know none of you do that, but I hope you do. And I'm just gonna tell you, this fridge is so cute. My favorite thing, comment down below your favorite thing that I have. Is it the hangers, the closet, the stands, the floaty, the kitchen, the snacks, the ball gown, or the fruits and vegetables right here. And I think that's it. Oh, yeah, the shoe rack and the hangers. Comment down below your favorite things. Oh, comment down below your favorite things. And yeah, so I know this video took so long for you, but yeah, I think that's enough. And see you next time. Goodbye for now. Is the camera on? Oh, hey, I'm the one wearing this pretty gorgeous gown. And it's so pretty and gorgeous. Here's the bottom, my feet. I'm not wearing that shoes. And I'm gonna go. And I hope you like Chelsea's video. And here she is now. Hi guys. Stop, this is my video. I opened you. it's raining. Hey guys, so umuulan na, so yun lang, bye. Joke lang. So, I speak in Filipino. Here is my new toys with dolls. I'm gonna show it to you now. So I'll just say goodbye. Hi. So I'm gonna show you. Actually, I'm just a doll. Chelsea doesn't know that I'm actually alive. But here's my daughter Anya. Hi, I'm Anya. Chelsea holds me up. Yeah, like Chelsea's also my voice, but I'm gonna show you the new toys that she has for our use. So let's get to it. Hi guys, it's me Chelsea, just moving all these dolls. You can hear the rain, it's the wrong timing. And I'm gonna show you the new toys I got. And here's not one of our new toys, it's just one of our new gown she's representing, and one crown that she's a princess. This is the gown that she's representing. And she also has a stand on the bottom. You just don't see, they don't stand by themselves. There's a stand and then it holds the doll up. Oh, whoopsies. Don't mind that part. Let's just put it back. Right there. Yeah, like Chelsea, you have to pay for knocking me down. I thought you were my friend. No, that absolutely hurted. Ouch, my back. Stop it, Chelsea. Alright, I'm gonna stop, Anna. Oh well, now let's represent it. So here's the gown, really nice on Anna. And here is a stand represented by Anya. She is on the stand at the back. Sorry if you saw the naked part. Here, let's just move Anya out of the way. Just put it there. Here we have a closet. I'm just gonna move you, Anna. Sorry. Fine. Okay, so here's a closet. And it has a tons of clothes in it. Made with the hangers right there. And if you see, I have a tape that it just hurts. There's like some shirts and jackets and some pants at the bottom. And behind Anna. Why are you always talking about me? Sorry, behind Anna. We're not talking about you anymore. Thank you. Behind Anna, we have this like stand thing that we have. I'm so sorry for the rain. It's like a stand, but we didn't have any space. So here's like a pajama. Hanged in one of the stands, like the hangers on the stand. You can also do that if you have a stand and a hanger. So let's move next to the shoe rack. Let's move it. Let's move it. Fly, 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 fly. Alright, so let's move the camera up. Bye, Anna. Finally. Alright. Sorry, I accidentally pressed the button. This shoe rack with full of shoes on it. This is not actually all of my shoes. It's just some of my shoes because the other of my shoes are ugly and couldn't fit in this shoe rack. Come on, boot. And if you saw my making this shoe rack thing, it's in the past part if you already watched the whole video, and yeah. And we're also here's some other shoes, like here's some ice skates, heels, white heels and purple heels. Here man shoes with night slippers, come out fly. Now we're gonna move on to the fridge beside it. Alright, let's move Anya and this cart a bit so we can see the little fridge. Over here at the fridge we can see a little Coke. I'm sorry if the rain is so hard. A little Coca-Cola. I got it from the attic store like a few years ago. So it's like Coca-Cola. Right here. Coca-Cola. I'm gonna try to focus it. See? And there's real liquid. Real Coke. And we're gonna put it here in the pockets. And these like freezers actually move. I'm putting up my voice because it's kind of low and the rain is so high. Here's some nice sweet treats and snacks. Oh, I'm so sorry if that's my shirt. Here's some nice sweet treats. Here we have a biscuit that says delicious. Delicious. Like with some foam, but it's actually not wet. If you want to crave to touch it, it's really nice and satisfying to touch. Look back. Okay, so it's not back on track. Come on, focus up. I'm lowering up my voice because the rain's not that hard anymore. Alright, so here, my hand's so slippery. There is a bee biscuit. That's so cute. Here we have like a rolling cupcake. I don't know. Like a roll cupcake. It's with a roll. It's actually a real candy bar. Just kidding, it's not a real candy bar. And then over here, we have a... Cut. I am terribly sorry. So here is the cupcake that I was showing you. That is a heart-shaped cupcake. You just don't see it at the back. Don't mind the flies. Come on, focus up. And here we have the cherries with the icing. It's a hard cupcake. Here we have a big pancake. It's like a big pancake. Solid. It's fun to play with. And look. Hey, give me some pancakes. Sure, Anna. Don't eat all of it. I'm still gonna get it. Sorry. Hungry Anya. Now here's some icing and some chocolate syrup. And here is a cake with some icing on around and some cherries. Here we have a bag of sweets. It says sweet, and I'm really craving for sweets now. And yeah, there's watermelon and a piece of grape. That's all in the fridge. Let's close it. And here we have a push cart with some fruit. Like here's some cherries and apples. And here we have oranges and mangoes and other more. Just move it. So sorry. Alright, now we're here at the big plate. So let's put back the camera. There, it's a much more nice view. Over here, we have like a tiny bowl for some tiny soup. Put in there, a drainer, a pancake flipper, like a pot cover. For here we have this wooden drawer as my table because I have a bigger table right over there. Hi, I'm Elsia, and I have this fork so I can eat this egg. Yummy. I don't need this spoon, but there's a spoon to mix your tea. Oh yeah, that's so creative. Thank you, Chelsie. You're welcome. Oh, no. I don't take you for that, Chelsie. I'm so sorry. Just start mixing your tea. Next, we have this ultimate stove. It's like a DIY stove. So sorry. There it is, DIY ultimate and funny stove. So sorry for that. Here we have like a cream thing, like this cream thing right here. It's like to put like pancake mix in it. And here's a pot where we can stir and make some soup with this soup spoon. Just mix it. Cool, right? Here's a frying pan with some bacon and eggs. Oh, the bacon. How dare you for my bacon? Sorry, Elsia. Alright, now we have this fryer that goes in with this pan. It goes with this great pan. And that's basically everything. So I hope you liked my video. This is my tour. It's actually really nighttime right now and I'm really tired. I'm so sorry if my voice is really low. And there was a cut a while ago because my grandma came in. And yeah, I'm so sleepy. You can see my eye bugs gonna fly. And yeah, I hope you get these things too. Follow Krista or XX1GXX in Musically and Yaya Flores or Ayesha Flores in TikTok. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and also subscribe on my second channel, Chelsea's Barbie World, where I'm gonna also be playing with these stuff. And yeah. Oh my gosh. Dun dun dun. I forgot to put in my floaty. But you already saw that in my other video. The blue floaty. So yeah, we're gonna go bye-bye right now. Bye.